This is how you scale a fish. You just take, a lot of people would actually use forks, but Betsy likes to use knife. So once she does that, everything is all scaled up. Then she'll wash the table off with a hose. And then I will cut off the tail and the gills, clean up the guts, and then the fish will be, oh, you're doing my job, okay. You're doing the whole thing, yay.
Yeah.
I will do the rest. But yeah, okay, now you know how to do it.
Yes.
Second time, you know how to do it already, yay. Okay, so the fish, the poor fish is small. So you cut the head off, throw it away. And then it's just gonna cut the other things on the side there. And then you end up with, show me the rest, if you don't mind. Okay, and you clean up the guts, okay, yay,
Yes.
that's one little piece of fish.
Yes.
Okay.